guys, it's me Satwati and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload any of my videos. So today I'm going to create this Onam festival look. Onam is one of the biggest festivals that celebrated in Kerala. So I decided to create this Onam festival look. So this is very simple yet gorgeous and elegant look. So if you like my today's very simple look, please do like and share my video. So if you want to know how do I create this look, please guys be with me and let's get started. So after cleaning my face with cleanser, I'm using here toner. This toner is from Herbs Goodness. So all the product that I'm going to use today will be listed in the description box, so don't forget to check. Here I'm using Good Vibes Serum. It makes my skin really smooth. So next I'm going to use oil-free moisturizer from Neutrogena. Today I'm not going to use any kind of primer. Here I'm using LA Girl Orange Concealer. If you don't have any dark circle or dark spot, you can skip this part. Here I'm taking a damp beauty blender or sponge and I'm going to blend it very well. Like I always say, blending is very important for good makeup. So dab, blend everything well. Next I'm going to use LA Girl Concealer in shade Medium Breeze. This will hide all the orange color from my face and my dark circle will be gone. Not permanently, of course. I'm kidding. So guys, dab, blend everything well. I'm using that same beauty blender. Today's makeup is very simple and easy. I keep it very light. Today I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. This is a waterproof foundation, but it gives you a medium to full coverage, not full coverage, yeah, kind of medium coverage. It applies on your skin very smoothly. You can see this blender comes with the foundation. I will mention the foundation shade name and number on description box. Don't forget to check description box after watching this video, and don't forget to follow me on social media like Twitter and Instagram. I am very active on Instagram and Twitter. You can DM me on Instagram for any kind of queries. To set the concealer and foundation, here I am using Sugar Cosmetic Setting Spray. This is one of my most favorite setting spray. This is fabulous and this is perfect for combination to oily skin. Really effective setting powder. It sets your concealer so well because I have so much fine lines on my under eyes. It hides everything and my concealer does not crease at all. So this is very light and very affordable according to its quality, and it blends very smoothly. So today I keep my base makeup as light as possible. This look is very simple and very easy to create, guys. You can recreate this look, and please don't forget to tag me on social media. For brows, I'm using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in shade Ash Brown. So I'm using an angle brush. I keep my brows also very simple. I'm not overline or I don't make it over dramatic. Now after filling the brows, to set the brows, here I'm using Wet n Wild Brow and Eyelash Gel. It's a clear gel. So after that, I applied concealer on my eyelid and blend it very well. So if you applied concealer on your eyelid, it will help to apply your eyeshadow. You will get a good pigmentation of the eyeshadow. Here I'm using Nika K eyeshadow palette. I will mention the name on description box. Here I'm taking a fluffy brush and I just choose the kind of brownish color for my crease. You can see the base color. I will keep my eyes very light This makeup look is perfect for day makeup. You can create this makeup look for any kind of festival or occasion, especially for days. So here I just blend the color on my lid very well, especially in my crease line. Here I'm using Suga Cosmetics Kajal in black. I'm just applying a very thin line. I just mean very thin line. And I'm using a small headed fluffy brush for blending this. I'm blending it very well. Don't blend it all over your eyelid. So this eye makeup is very simple. You can easily recreate this look, as I said. So guys, you can see how do I create this look. You have to do the same. You can use any kind of eyeshadow palette. Just choose the similar color. Now I'm taking again the fluffy headed blending brush and blend everything together. This is kind of very light classic smoky eyes, but not that smoky eyes. Very light. Today I'm not going to contour my face. I'm just applying blush. This blush is from Suga Cosmetics. So guys, I'm just applying it on my cheeks with a help of fluffy big brush. So guys, this makeup is very simple. I don't apply any kind of contouring or any hard process. I keep it very light and simple, but yet this is very elegant look, I must say. So now I'm using Maybelline Mustard Chrome powder highlighter in shade gold. I'm glowing. I'm just kidding. So yeah, I'm obsessed with highlighter, but don't go over with it. Yeah. I'm applying highlighter on my cheeks. You have to apply highlighter on your peak points of your face, like cheeks, your nose, your forehead and chin, and also keep it bold. Because my makeup is very simple, but here I used falsies, because for simple eyes I prefer falsies, a big kind of falsies. So I bought these falsies from Amazon. If you want, I will give the link. Now I'm applying Maybelline Volume Express Mascara in waterproof. I'm applying it to my lower as well as my upper lashes. To set my full face makeup, I'm using Wet n Wild Dewy Setting Spray. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray in shade Dewy. Now, this is the most important part. It is last but not the least. It's time for applying my favorite lipstick. This is from Suga Cosmetics. This is a mauvish pink shade. I will give the name of the shade in the description box, so don't forget to check guys after watching this video. I think this lipstick shade is perfect for my today's makeover. It goes very well with this look. So guys, my makeover is done. I hope you guys like it. So here I'm applying a bindi. I don't have any kind of bindis like all this, so I'm here using a Blue Heaven Blue Kajal. So I hope you like this look. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always supporting me. See you on next video. Bye bye.